Have you ever found yourself lost in the endless scroll of social media? Only to wonder if there could be a more productive use of your time? What if the journey to financial freedom was just as enthralling? And with every swipe bringing you closer to your wealth goals? Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll discover how the pursuit of prosperity can be transformed into an irresistible adventure that could rival the latest viral trends. So drop a like below and let's dive into the topic. First and foremost, it is important to understand the great divide between education and wealth. In many corners of the world, the best education is often a privilege reserved for the affluent, creating a chasm between the haves and have-nots. This disparity is not just a social issue but a financial one, as education is a stepping stone to higher earning potential. The question then arises: how can we bridge this gap and make financial literacy as accessible and as captivating as the latest social media craze? Financial literacy is also about choosing the right language. Imagine if financial literacy was not just a subject for the elite but a universal language spoken by all. Much like learning, a new language opens doors to new cultures and opportunities. Understanding the language of finance unlocks the potential for increased wealth and economic mobility. Leveraging the power of the smartphone. The smartphone revolution has put a world of information at our fingertips. It's time we leverage this tool to democratize financial knowledge. With apps that teach investing, saving, and budgeting, the smartphone could be the most powerful weapon in the fight against financial illiteracy. Engagement techniques, the gamification of wealth. What if checking your investment growth was as addictive as checking your likes and shares? Here's how we can make it happen. Visualize an app that celebrates your financial consistency, rewarding you for daily check-ins and smart money moves. Notifications would be customized alerts could prompt you to stay on top of your financial game. Whether it's a reminder to save or a tip on the best stocks to watch. Gamification can be done by transforming financial planning from a chore into a challenge. Thus you can earn points for saving, badges for smart investing, and level up as you reach your financial milestones. Going viral through wealth education. The right content can spread like wildfire. Financial education could use the same viral mechanics to spread wisdom about wealth. Memes, challenges, and shareable content could make getting rich the next big trend. Repetition and habit formation. Building wealth is not a one-off event but a result of daily habits. An app that nudges you towards small, regular financial actions can lead to a significant impact on your wealth over time. Expanding the vision. The vision must be clear. Financial education should be as widespread as the latest social media platform. It should be a part of everyone's daily digital diet, turning passive scrolling time into active learning. Remember that your financial awakening would happen once you start engaging with the right mindset and attitude. The path to wealth doesn't have to be dry and monotonous. It can be vibrant, engaging, and yes, even addictive. The power to change your financial future is just a tap away. Question to ponder is: will you swipe towards a richer life? This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you found good value in it. And if you did, then drop a like below and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful videos. See you in our next video.